When I say the power of closed mouths don't get fed is so real, I went to Publix today, and the last time I went, they told me the sub that I normally get is discontinued, and this is a sweet peach heat sub. And so I went in today and I'm like, do you guys happen to have that sauce, the sweet peach sauce? And the lady was like, let me check. We might not have it. But she went and checked and they just so happened to have it. And not only did she make me a sub with that sauce, she also gave me a little cup of the sauce on the side, which made my heart happy. And it just goes to show when you really want something, you just have to ask. Don't think about what the worst thing somebody will say. You have to think about the best thing that they will say, which is yes. What if they say yes? Don't think about if they say no, because 9 times out of 10, they are going to say yes if you ask.